must have been particularly shocked that it blew again. Is that right?
That's true. Scientists are actually saying that these latest eruption on Friday morning had really baffled them because after the deadly first eruption last week, there were a series of small outbursts, and so they were thinking that the volcano was possibly calming down, but then volcanic activities have really increased in the past 3 days, and now there's no telling whether the worst has passed.
So indeed, in terms of how the people cope now and what's needed in terms of just getting them back to normal life, what is the situation and how much is all that going to cost?
Well, there are now well over 100,000 people that are estimated to have been evacuated, and that's people who are living within the 20-kilometer radius from the crater that have been designated as the danger zone by the government. And they are living in some football stadiums, schools, and government buildings. And rescuers are saying that there are some basic supplies that are barely available. They are actually in need of a lot of basic supplies. The Indonesian President, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, had flown to the area last night and said that he will stay there for a few days to make sure that decisions can be made more swiftly.
Alex Moody said, Rio, many thanks indeed for being with us.